welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video because I'm testing out a theory. You guys know I posted using the new setting spray from One Size, which is the Powder Melts Glass setting spray. And I really like this. I told y'all this gives very much so the setting spray that you use if you want your makeup to just melt within itself and then have that kind of glass looking skin, natural. You know, yes, I've got a full face of makeup on, but it still looks natural type of makeup. And then in the comments, people were like, now wait a minute, go ahead and pair it with Until Dawn, the original One Size setting spray. Y'all know this is a mattifying setting spray. Once you put this on, it locks everything in. So when you think about it, putting the two together, especially since one is a setting spray and the other one is a fixing spray, the two together, it might really do something. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the powder off my face and I'm going to set my face. All right, y'all, first up, and again, you see how just that setting spray brings life back into a powdery face, starts looking a little bit more like skin. So now on Till Dawn, sometimes if you're playing with me, you don't want to spray out. I forgot about the holding your breath. Hold on. I think I told y'all I had a fan at my parents' house. I grabbed it when I was there for Mother's Day weekend. All right, y'all, so that is gonna be my face for the day. I feel like it's giving set. I feel like I can conquer all. I do have to go to the gym and it's treadmill day, so we are gonna sweat. So I will come back later so we can see how my face held up. Well, tonight. Okay, y'all, so it is midnight and this is what my face looks like. So my thoughts on mixing the two together. I don't know if I like that combination. I feel like surface level, like looking at it, you're like, oh, well, it's midnight and I left sometime around 2 in the afternoon. So it's been like 10 hours that I've had makeup on. And I feel like, you know, looking at it, you're like, you know, face is still pretty matte. I did go to the gym. It was a treadmill day, 40 minutes on there. So I did sweat. So I feel like, you know, like surface level, it's like, okay, like it held up pretty well, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like if you get, and to be fair, I did cry about an hour ago. Nothing serious. I'm an air sign. I cry once a day. So like right under my eye area, keep in mind, I cried. But I feel like certain areas, like you see that right there, this area, I feel like some areas here are a little patchy. And I feel like it's giving, they're two mixtures that just, I don't feel like I'm supposed to mix them. Cause I feel like I've come back before where, cause I'm also the person, like if it's too funny, I end up crying. So I feel like that's happened before. And like, I haven't had patches in my face. I kind of want like one or the other. Either I need the Until Dawn, which is gonna mattify, cause I feel like separately, I've done wear tests with both of them separately. So my makeup held up well with Powder Melts and it held up well with Until Dawn on its own. So I feel like on its own, they're going to have good wear time. The finishes on their own, where one is more of that kind of radiant finish and the other one is more matte, that's where I feel like it's clashing a little bit. And like the two of them on my skin, it's got to be one or the other. My skin doesn't know how to react to it because I don't get like patchiness or just like random areas like that often. And I feel like that's why, because I'm mixing the two. I feel like it's good in theory, or maybe I just gotta try it again. I definitely put my face through a little more than I usually do on the average day, because I don't wear makeup to the gym. I try to go to the gym before I end up filming. And you know, well, I did say I cry once a day, but I usually don't end up crying in makeup. So I feel like my face definitely went through a little bit more today. But I think looking at it as far as wear goes, I feel if you try to mix the two together, your makeup is going to hold up well throughout the day. I think that's what I'm trying to say. As far as longevity goes, mixing the two, I think it's a good combination. I personally, I don't know if I like the mix of the two as far as finish goes, because I feel like it's fighting for which one is it going to be. Is it going to be radiant or is it going to be mattifying? And I kind of prefer like the radiant finish of it. That's why when I do use Until Dawn, I use the either Makeup by Mario or the e.l.f. Dewy setting spray to kind of, you know, bring some of that natural skin finish back to it once I put it on. And I just feel like the two mixed together. Of course, I'll try it again just so I can get a better picture on how I feel about the two, because I feel like they're meant to be used together. Like I am meant to use them to fully lock down my makeup and just really get. And mind you, I'm looking at my face right now and I'm like, wait a minute. I'm gonna try it again, but I feel like my first impression trying the two together is that I like them more separately. I feel like they kind of shine more because they're like two good setting sprays. So it's like once you put two good things together, they start battling like, okay, but which one of us is going to be on top though? So I feel like for you to really get the best of both of them, you got to use them separately. At least that's my first impression on that one. But again, I will try them together one more time. The Until Dawn, like I said, I like using that with the Makeup by Mario or the e.l.f. Dewy setting spray. I haven't tried the powder melts with any other type of setting spray. So I know Until Dawn mixes well with some other ones. Maybe powder melt isn't, you know, maybe she's not one of those products where it's like you can just go around mixing her with anything. But if there was gonna be a product that I feel like you could mix with that, I would think it would be another One Size Beauty product. So that's where we stand for the first impression. First impression is giving, I think I like them, or I think you get the best bang for your buck with both of them separately. However, I am not completely turned off to the idea of using the two of them together. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan to pick up the powder melt, because it's not available yet. I think it's available next week. Or if you're gonna stick with Until Dawn, if you would think of mixing the two of them together. Let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.